Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, November the 28th. It is Thanksgiving Day. We want to take a brief second just to thank everyone for keeping up with us, from all our customers, all of our subscribers, everyone on our newsletters list. We want to thank you so much for keeping up with us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. Speaking of our newsletter, we are sending one out today with some deals going on. This email will have some Black Friday sales on it. We also have another email going out tomorrow on Friday, so make sure to keep watch over your email for those two things. We're going to be giving away free items with your orders, and there's going to be a lot of specials, so make sure to keep up with that. Also, if you are not subscribed to our newsletter list, I'll put that in the top of the description below. So sign up for our newsletter, get up to date with all our deals going on. Without further ado though, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. Once again, I want to give you all a happy Thanksgiving. I hope everything goes well today. Once again, we have one newsletter going out today and another one tomorrow with some Black Friday deals and some other specials going on. So I hope you're signed up so you can get to see that. Be sure to hit that subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next week.